Hello students, Navankur Vidyapeeth welcomes you in Digi Lessons. Today we shall read about Snapshots Supplementary Reader in English for Class 11th Core Course. Third chapter Ranga's Marriage by Masti Venkatesh Iyengar. Masti Venkatesh Iyengar was born on 6th June 1891 and died on 6th June 1986, was a well-known writer in Kannada language. He was the fourth among Kannada writers to be honored with the Jananpith Award, the highest literary honor conferred in India. He was popularly referred to as Masti Kannada Asti, which means Masti, Kannada's treasure. He is most renowned for his short stories he wrote under the pen name Srinivasa. He was honored with the title Raja Seva Sakta by then Maharaja of Mysore, Nalvadi Krishnaraja Vaidiyar. Ranga, the accountant's son, is one of the rare breed among the village folk who has been to the city to pursue his studies. When he returns to his village from the city of Bangalore, the crowds mill around his house to see whether he has changed or not. His ideas about marriage are now quite different, or are they? Main points are explanation of the title, not given a fancy title like Ranganatha's Vijaya, Jagannatha Vijaya, Girija Kalyana. The story is not about Jagannatha's victory, Girija's wedding. It is about the marriage of Rangappa, the accountant's son. The accountant's son, native of the village Hosahalli, nondescript village in South India. No mention in geography book. Village is in Mysore state. Specialties: some mango trees in village, creeper growing in the village, beautiful flowers. Best way is to visit the village Ranga's homecoming. 10 years ago, went to Bangalore for stories. Very few people knew English. Talk in Kannada. Ranga's arrival. Villagers flocked to his home. Narrator was among them, eager to know if Ranga has changed. Found he was the same old Ranga, disappointed and went back. Narrator stayed back, asked Ranga how he was. After exchanging few jokes, he left. Ranga's view about marriage. Ranga visited narrator's home with oranges. Narrator wanted him to marry and be of service to society. Narrator asked Ranga's plan for marriage. Ranga's view against traditional arranged marriages: must first find the right girl, must be admired by him, should be mature. Narrator was disappointed. The narrator's plan determined to get Ranga married. Narrator knew Ramarao's niece Ratna, a pretty girl of 11, had come from a big town, knew how to play veena and harmonium, had a sweet voice. Both her parents had died, so Ramarao had brought her home. Narrator thought that Ranga was perfect for her, thought of a clever plan to introduce them. Ranga's introduction with Ratna. Narrator visited Ramarao's house frequently. Ratna knew the narrator very well. Asked Ratna to fetch the buttermilk, made Ratna sit in his room, asked her to sing a song. Meanwhile, he called Ratna too. Ranga was mesmerized to shake her. Seeing a stranger, mesmerized to see, S-E-E, see her. Seeing a stranger, Ratna stopped singing. Ratna ran inside. Narrator told Ranga that she was married. Ranga's face color changed. Meeting with astrologer Shastriji. Narrator tutored Shastriji well, found no change in Ranga, suggested him to consult Shastriji. Ranga accompanied without any protest. Shastriji made some calculations, declared that a girl was responsible for present state of Ranga's mind. Name was that of something found in the ocean. The ocean, like Ratna. Narrator said that Ratna was the name of Rama, Rao's niece, but she is married. A pleasant surprise. Both passed by Rama Rao's house. Narrator went inside alone. Came out with a surprise on his face. Narrator told Ranga that he was misinformed by someone. Ratna is not married. Ranga admitted that prediction of Shastriji's was true. Ranga and Ratna got married, named their firstborn after the narrator Syama. Questions. Number 1. Why were the people surprised to see Ranga after his homecoming? Second, what were Ranga's views about marriage? Third, who was Ratna? How did the narrator manage to bring Ranga and Ratna together? 5. Ratna was not married, then why did the narrator tell Ranga that she was married? 6. Describe the meeting of Ranga with Shastriji. Thank you, students.